So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can clear your system data in MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So guys, just go ahead and open Finder, which should be right at the beginning of the dock. And once you open it, just go ahead to this search bar right here and type this. So if you type this and nothing shows up, then you don't have any cache. But if you find folders of cache, then just go ahead and delete them all, and that's how you'll be able to clear your storage data. You can see these options right here. You can just go ahead and tap just cache right here too, and something will show up and you'll see many folders over here. So just go ahead and delete everything that shows up with the name cache, and that way you'll be able to clear your storage data. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.